Okay, for this one, the very first thing you need to do is you got to make your own chart. Sorry. All right, so first thing, I've got PB, I've got 1, I've got oxygen. I'm not going to keep this as a molecule because that same molecule isn't on my other side. Okay, so I got an O, I got 2 times 1 is 2. Hydrogen, 2 times 1 is 2. Ooh, I forgot this one, plus another one, 3. Careful there. And then chlorine, I've got 1. All right, cool. Let's go to my product side. Hydrogens, I have, well, first, always go in the same order. PB, I've got 1. Oxygens, I've got 1. Hydrogens, I have 2. And chlorines, I have 2. Oops, I forgot to put my 1 in here. Cool. All right. I always like to start with satisfy the most complicated one first. So I'm going to start here. What can I do here? Or is that where I want to start? It doesn't really matter, but this is what I do know. I know I have an odd number of hydrogens on this side and an even number on this side, so I'm going to have to make this an even number somehow. So I can do that 2 ways. I can either multiply this one by 2. No, actually, the only thing I can do is multiply this one by 2. So, see how that changes things? Now my hydrogens, I no longer have 3, I have 4. Chlorines, I no longer have 1. 2 times 1, I now have 2. Cool. Now let's keep going. All right, oxygens, I've got 2 on this side, and I've only got 1 on this side, so I'm going to have to multiply this by 2. All right, so 2 times 2 is 4. So that looks good. 2 times 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so where I'm at, leads 1, oxygens 2. Oh, wow. Wasn't expecting that, but I'm done. So just guess and check until you get there.